Hello, in this video, we're going to look at how to make a QR code using an iPhone and its native applications. Welcome to MacMingle. We begin with the phone, and we go ahead and search for shortcuts. And we'll see the shortcuts icon there. That's a stacked pink squares. Select that, and then select the plus sign in shortcuts. That enables you to set up a new shortcut. Once we select that, this screen pops up, and the first thing we want to do is give it a name that we can remember. So we'll go ahead and change that new shortcut 1, and we select that drop and select rename. Once we select rename, we can go ahead and type in the name we want. And we're going to replace that with Share MacMingle. So next time I look at it, I know which shortcut I'm using. Once we've done that, the shortcut has been named. So let's go down to the Search Actions button. And then within the Search Actions, let's go ahead and type in QR code or QR. We can see Create QR code pops up. We need to go ahead and select that. Once we've selected that, this box pops up. And in that text box, you need to type in the link you want to enter. I've copied my channel link, and here it is, youtube.com/MacMingle, and that sets up the QR code. Now, when you run this shortcut, what do you want to do with it? That's the next step. So when you select that drop down, you can see that you can also adjust the foreground color, the background color, etc. We'll skip that. When we exit, we end up at shortcuts, and we see that Share MacMingle is one of those shortcuts. Now, reopening the Share MacMingle and the search actions, we're going to go ahead and type in Save and then select Save to Photos. What this does is every time you run this shortcut, it creates a photo with that QR code. We can look what it says here. It passes that input to your photos. With that done, we're ready to run the shortcut. Select this little triangle here to run the shortcut. And once it's run, the QR code is A, created, and B, saved in your photos. So someone can scan this code right here, or if you prefer, you can go to your photos, open that up. It should be the most recent photo, and they can go ahead and scan that to get directly to your channel, or to your business card, or your website. Now let's go look at photos just to see if it's there. And we can see it's right there at the bottom. And when we select that, the QR code opens up. I've masked out some of my personal pictures here in that screen there. So there you are. You have the steps to create a QR code for your site or your link. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching MacMingle.